Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a nice pre-owned 2018 Dutchman. The model number is a 25 RL. So let's go take a peek what we got inside. Nice big grab handle walking up the door here. For a small unit, these are hard to get. So you gotta, here's your day and night shades. You just slide up there. You got a big window. So you got recliners in the back here. You got cabinets above us, a little bit of glass, kind of fancy looking. So you got a nice U-shaped booth here, it makes into a bed. But like I said, small unit, lightweight. So half-ton towable, like a newer half-ton, could tow this. You got an electric fireplace, DVD player, here's your TV. Nice storage above there. You got your 3-burner. You got the oven here, you got the microwave. Right up here, it's all the stainless package. You got also storage above, here, lots of storage. You got the great big double stainless steel sinks right there with a nice cutting board right there. Here's your control panel for your heater. So you got a Dometic freezer, refrigerator right there. Walk up here to the bathroom. So it's got the nice corner shower. Got a porcelain toilet. It's got the corner shower, the glass doors that open up. So a big shower. I mean, you can get a lot of room in here for a big guy, even lots of height. So you got cabinets here above the sink right there. You got a little storage for all your towels right there, whatnot there, or below us. So you got a queen size bed that lifts up. You got storage under here. You got cabinets on both sides, power plugs. So if you got a CPAP, there's a place to put them. On the side, this is a little slide out here. So you got your closet, hanging closet there. So it's kind of nice room. Like I said, small unit. So a lot of guys are looking for these lightweight, small, so half-ton towable, newer half-ton, 10,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. So like I mentioned, it's got the all-weather package, so tanks are covered, insulated really well. So you got electric awning above us with LED strip underneath, outdoor speakers. Here's where you put your water. So you've got a spot here, a little bracket to put an outdoor TV. So here's your plugs right there for the cable and stuff. Here's your storage compartment. Oh, it's locked, but it's pass-through storage all the way through. Here's your propane tank. You got one on each side. So pre-wired for solar to the batteries if you want a little portable solar panel throw on the ground. Little fiberglass cap. LED lights in there. So that's a slide for that little closet. So here's the pass-through storage. So this has electric jacks all the way around, auto leveling jacks. Here's your controls for your water, sewer right here. But this is the control panel right here for the electronic jacks. Push button, kind of nice. So double axle aluminum wheels. Pretty nice looking little unit. There's your power cord here. So back ladder on the back, spare tire, so you can get up and do a roof inspection. Actually, it's pre-wired for backup camera. So, and of course, all LEDs. So if you're looking for a nice pre-owned fifth wheel that's small that you can tow with a half-ton, a newer half-ton, this is kind of a nice unit. So come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.